What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is what we are going to make today. So let's go ahead and jump into it. This is going to be one of the most delicious and easy burgers you have ever put together. Here is the ingredients that we're going to be using. I have 2 cheeses, the pepper jack and the Munster. I also got some butter lettuce, which is my favorite. We got some purple onions, some tomatoes. I got the potato bun. We got some secret sauce. And we have our patty. As you already know, I am pescatarian, so my patty is a plant-based patty, but you can literally use any kind of patty you want. We're going to season that up real good, and that, once it's seasoned the way we want it to, is going to get thrown into the skillet. You can see it's sizzling there. I'm throwing my red onions in with it to give my patty some more flavor and to get my onions grilled. And when it's on the sandwich, y'all, I promise, grilled onions on a burger, so good. They finally got to where I want them, so I'm taking them off. Now I'm just adding my cheese to the patty and just still letting it cook. I want my cheese to be able to melt down on there. And I'm also going to throw my bun on the skillet. So what I didn't show y'all is that I actually rubbed just a little bit of butter on both sides of the bun just to give it this beautiful golden crispy look. Look, y'all, to get that right there, you just got to add just a little bit of butter. And look at how beautiful and crisp it comes out. Now that's the bottom of the bun. We're going to go ahead and go in and get our secret sauce and rub that all over. If y'all want to know the secret sauce, you leave that in the comments and I promise I will share it with you. So the secret sauce is going down first. Here comes our cheesy, delicious patty right on top. We're going to place our beautiful tomatoes. I love tomatoes, y'all, so I had to put 2 of them bad boys on there. Here comes those grilled onions. Y'all, these red grilled onions, oh, so good. We got our butter lettuce, and this right here is just some honey mustard that I'm rubbing on there. Yeah, that's it. That is it. So simple, so delicious, juicy, juicy burger. Any kind of patty will do. If you want to use a salmon patty, an all beef patty, whatever it is. But thank y'all so much for coming back with me. I appreciate you and I love you like always. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time.